Unlocking the mystery of debate round in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of discussions and arguments, as we unravel the meaning behind the term debate round. If you've ever been curious about debates, this video is for you. So, let's get started and decode this phrase together. A debate round refers to a structured discussion where participants, known as debaters, engage in a contest of ideas. It's one segment of a debate, where a specific topic is discussed before moving on to the next segment. Think of it as a chapter in a book of arguments, where each round is a new chapter. Every debate round follows a set pattern. It usually begins with an introduction by the first speaker, followed by a series of arguments and rebuttals from both sides. Each participant has a predefined time to speak, ensuring the debate is fair and orderly. Timing and structure are key in a debate round. Debate rounds serve a crucial purpose. They allow for multiple aspects of a topic to be explored thoroughly. It's not just about winning an argument. It's also about understanding and learning from different viewpoints. The goal is to communicate effectively and persuade the audience or judges. Participating in a debate round can be exhilarating. Here are some tips. Understand the topic well. Prepare your arguments and rebuttals in advance. Practice your speaking and timing. Listen to your opponents carefully to provide meaningful counterpoints. I hope this video has shed light on what a debate round is and how it functions within the broader context of a debate. Remember, it's a fascinating way to explore different perspectives and sharpen your reasoning skills. Until next time, keep debating and keep learning. Thank you for watching.